Welcome to Trader UK, the money management channel. I'm Adam Hill, and today I'm going to compare 3 stock trading apps side by side and then try and judge which one is the best. Now, these are by no means the only stock trading apps out there, so make sure you do your research, but these are 3 apps I have used, and I did find that the quality really varied. If you haven't already, then make sure you subscribe to the channel for more finance related content, and if you enjoy today's video, then please hit that thumbs up button as well. Let me know in the comments what platforms you guys are using, if you know any more that I should be trying out. But for today, it's going to be Trading 212, Degiro and Freetrade. Now, in order to make my comparison, I'm going to be looking at 3 different factors. Firstly, the amount of products that are on offer, which stocks are available, which markets, if they have any additional products like options, futures, holding your stocks within an ISA, these types of things. Secondly, I'll look at the price, how much it costs to open an account, how much it costs to make a trade, foreign exchange fees, and then thirdly, the usability. I'll do a quick walkthrough of the portfolio page and then how to make a simple share purchase to see how beginner friendly the apps really are. I'm going to score each of these 3 factors out of 10, giving us a final score, a maximum 30 points. Now let's get started with our first app. First up here we have Trading 212, based out of the UK and available across Europe. Their website actually says that they're one of the most popular stock trading apps in the world, claiming over 14 million downloads, which is huge. First of the 3 scoring points available is going to be for the products that they have on offer. And with a quick search, you can see that Trading 212 have over 2,800 stocks available and more than 420 ETFs. From what I can see, it seems to be a mixture of European and US markets. I did find on here as well, which I thought was good, that they have access to some smaller markets. For example, you can invest in AIM Limited or AIM listed companies in the UK alternative investment market, which was nice to see. I think for beginner investors, they're going to have everything that you need. But as you do progress, you'll also find that they have commodities trading, currency trading, cryptocurrencies as well. So the ability to trade on margin is also there with the CFD account. So for availability, 2,800 stocks, 420 ETFs, I'm going to score it a strong 7 out of 10. The second scoring factor is going to be the price, and I was pleasantly surprised here. Lots of these apps claim to be free, but then they end up having lots of add-ons. But looking at the fee schedule on their website, they are setting the bar pretty high. 0 commission, 0 fees, unlimited trade, no foreign exchange fees. I'm sure if you go digging around and possibly with their CFD account, you can find a charge somewhere. But for beginners, it doesn't get much better than this. So I'll have to give Trading 212 10 out of 10 for pricing. Finally, we're looking at the usability. One thing I would say, I'm not so keen on this home screen. It takes you straight to your watch list. Personally, when I log in, I want to see some general market data. I'd like to know how the S&P is doing, how the FTSE is performing, that kind of thing. And although you can find it, it would be useful if it went straight to those pages. Making a simple purchase is very straightforward. You can use the search function if you know the company that you're looking for. Today we'll look for Tesla. And then the app is very user friendly. It's very straightforward. There's a big buy button here. And you'll notice that you have a number of different order types to play around with. Market orders, limit orders, stop limit as well. It's all in here. So there are some more advanced features compared to other free stock trading apps. And so for usability, I'm going to score Trading 212 8 out of 10. And that gives our first app, Trading 212, a final score of 25 out of 30. Next up, we have the Gyro. I wasn't actually able to get an exact number of stocks and funds, but it's definitely got the most products available. All of those markets that Trading 212 offers are available on this platform, and then some extras like Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, Australia as well. To be honest, it's nice to have these extra products, but I'm sure most people would be happy with UK, US, and European stock markets. But as you do become a little bit more adventurous, you'll notice that they have additional products, options, futures, warrants, a whole catalogue of extra products. So I'm going to score the Gyro 9 out of 10 for the products that they have on offer. The only reason it doesn't get a 10 out of 10 for me is because they don't have any options contracts for US companies yet. But I think for most people that's not going to be an issue. The second scoring factor is the pricing. Degiro is actually the only app I'm looking at today that isn't commission free. As you can see from the fee schedule, it's very cheap to purchase US stocks at 50 cent plus 0.014% per trade. But as you move through Europe and onto the more obscure markets, prices head north of 10 euros per trade. They do charge a small foreign exchange fee, but there are no monthly charges on any of their accounts. Again, I think for the vast majority, the fees are going to be minimal, but if you are going to be making a lot of trades or you're going to be trading on different markets, it's going to start adding up. So I'm only scoring the Gyro 6 out of 10 for their pricing. Finally, we're looking at the usability. Now, for me, I may be a little bit biased. I've used the Gyro as my main stock trading platform, so I'm very used to the layout, but I do like it. I like the way they present the data here, and I find it very easy to navigate. Searching for and purchasing stocks is very straightforward. You can use the quick search function to find the companies you're looking for, and then again, it's very well set up. You'll also find that the Gyro offers you a number of order types: limit, stop loss, market, stop limit. So very similar to what Trading 212 has to offer. And again, the process is all very straightforward. Definitely my favorite app for user experience. So I'm going to give it an impressive 9 out of 10 for usability. And across the 3 scoring factors, that gives the Gyro a total score of 24 out of 30. Now on to our third app, Freetrade. In terms of products, Freetrade has the smallest offering with just over 1,200 stocks as per their website. These are made up mainly of popular UK and US companies. Compared to our first 2 apps, it doesn't really seem like many, but I'm sure plenty of investors will still find the blue chip companies that they're looking for. There isn't really anything to offer in terms of additional products, no options trading, warrants, futures, nothing like this within the app, but they are in a much earlier stage of development, so I'm sure that will all come. For this reason, I'm going to score Freetrade 5 out of 10 for product availability. As for pricing, with a name like Freetrade, you expect top scores, but they do have a few added extras. Yes, you can make commission-free trades, but if you want to hold your stocks within an ISA, then it's going to cost you £3 per month. There is also a small foreign exchange fee and a £5 charge to fast-track any bank transfers. You can also see on their website that they're working on an alpha version, an upgraded account, which could well be paid. So for pricing, I score Freetrade 7 out of 10. And finally, I'm looking at the usability. Same kind of problem as Trading 212. I'd like to see some market data on the home screen rather than straight into the portfolio and summary below. But the app is very, very easy to use. One of the main reasons, though, that it is so easy to use is that it doesn't have that many features compared to the others. It really is designed for beginners to own a few stocks in their favorite company, but it doesn't go much further than this, which again isn't a problem as this video is for beginners, but just know that you may end up outgrowing what the app currently has to offer. To make a share purchase, the process is very simple, very easy to use. However, you will notice that there is no choice for order types. It's just basic orders that you can make from here. So this is something to bear in mind. I would say overall, the features that are available are very easy to use, but in my opinion, it needs a bit more development. So for usability, I score Freetrade 6 out of 10. And that gives Freetrade a final score of 18 out of 30. So there you have it, guys. Despite the fact that I keep my main account with Degiro, it's actually trading 212 that scores higher with a score of 25 out of 30. Degiro a close second, 24 out of 30. And then Freetrade in final spot, 18 out of 30. So it looks like I'll be moving at least of some of my portfolio across to trading 212. Let me know what app you guys are using. Let me know if you agree with my scoring. Leave a comment and I'll see you next time.